obey. Okay, there we go, okay. Oh gosh. This remote decides when it wants to be obedient. Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionika, and today is going to be a short and sweet video. I'm going to be teaching you the easiest styling tip that I know. It's basically throwing on an all black outfit and changing it up with a jacket. Each jacket is different and it changes up the entire style of the outfit. It's the easiest trick in the book. Easiest and oldest trick in the book, actually. Especially when you're just unsure on what to wear. You don't have time to really think about an outfit. Anyways, let's get on with the video. For the first jacket, I grabbed this one because this is your standout piece. If you want to stand out for the night, this is the jacket that'll do the job. I just think that it's such a vibrant color, and the fact that it's fur, it really does make a statement. So if you're looking for that statement jacket to throw on with an all black outfit, this is your gem. This is by Band of Gypsies, faux fur, and yeah, it's just so stellar on. I would throw it on with like a beret and your all black outfit and you're good to go. So this next jacket is my teddy bear coat jacket. I love this so much. This is by the Line and Dot, and it is a beautiful teddy coat. You know, those teddy coats are like so popular right now. You see them all over Instagram. A lot of bloggers are wearing this. I just like this one because it's not that standard like long line teddy bear coat. This one is more of like that bomber sense because it has that stretch material at the bottom and it is a little bit more cropped as opposed to other teddy bear coats. I love the color on this. It has that masculine inspired look, and I just think that this again would look great with an all black outfit, especially when you're just kind of like bumming around wearing something that's just really casual. Next jacket is for the Daredevil in You. This is by Toby. Okay, I really wanted to do a black leather jacket, but I wanted to make sure I wasn't doing all black in this video because I really tend to feel comfortable wearing all black, but I didn't want to do that for the video, so that's why I grabbed this beautiful leather jacket just to pay tribute to wearing a leather jacket. You would absolutely look like a badass in this. This is again is like a statement jacket. I have been wearing this ever since my boyfriend got us Disney passes. I've been wearing this jacket with my mini ears and like an all black outfit, and it's so cute because like this is the iconic color of Minnie, so everyone always compliments this jacket whenever I'm like running around Disneyland. Yeah, this is definitely like one of my favorite pieces that I own right now just because it's such a cool jacket and it's just different from like all those other leather jackets. Moving on to the last jacket. Alright, so this last jacket, I didn't even realize until like after I picked it out that this is a hybrid jacket. Oh, got stuck on my sweater. Okay. It's a hybrid of the other two jackets I just showed you because it is a teddy bear jacket inspired moto jacket. I'm sorry about that. I didn't realize it was a hybrid, but I love this jacket so much. I think it looks bomb with the all black look, and it's so easy to just throw on. It keeps you so nice and warm too. It's more of like a shearling material as opposed to like a teddy bear, if you guys know the difference. Like a teddy is more like the feel of like literally a teddy bear, but this one's more feeling of a sheep. This is faux though. This is by Charlotte Russe. I got it for $20 during Black Friday. It was a pretty good steal. I hope you guys enjoyed that like short and sweet video. I guess I'll see you in my next video. I'm so stoked. Hopefully this next video, because I've already filmed it and everything, but it is a thrift challenge, and you guys know how competitive I get. So anyways, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends, you guys. My Instagram is down below if you want to give me a follow, and yeah, have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!